GEN.NALWEYISO yakuvuddemu.
The mother of A2, in whose care and custody the said baby was left, is also under arrest and detention. Your Honor, it's not clear because we expected that to be probably arraigned before you today, but she's not here, so we are not sure where exactly she's being detained. But she's no longer in the care of the said baby. Your Honor, the accused number 2 is suffering from pains of the breast, Your Honor, like a breastfeeding mother. She is suffering and undergoing a lot of pains because of want of breastfeeding of her child. Your Worship, we seek the indulgence of this honorable court, knowing that the court has the power and discretion in special circumstances to grant a desired relief to the accused person. In the circumstances, Your Worship, we humbly pray that court may exercise its jurisdiction and grant the accused person temporary bail. A2, Your Honor.
Offenses which this court has no jurisdiction to entertain, and all interlocutory matters that would arise out of these charges would best be handled by a court with jurisdiction. The accused is allowed to take her child to prison, and she continues nursing her as the law allows an inmate to have a baby. The remedy that counsel seeks can be sought in High Court.
Twadde okusaba kwaffe mu kkooti eno ento nti mukyala wa Sipapa oba omuvunaanyizibwa namba 2 ekisookera ddala mukyala wa Lukindo yalongosebwa gye buvuddeko katono emyezi nga 3 emabega n'azaala omwana w'ebbebi gw'alina kati ataweza myezi 6. Olukindo olwo lukyali lubisi tannawona, n'omwana yennyini gwe talina amulabirira. Omukyala amabeere gamuluma ng'era omukyala ayonsa, mwaba maama mukimanyi. N'olwekyo tubadde tulese okusaba mu kkooti eno ento nti newankubadde terina buyinza naye etunuulire embeera y'omukyala emukkirize okweyimirira agende ekisookera ddala afune obujjanjabi n'ekyokubiri alabirire omwana we. Ate nti n'obuzibu obulala bubaddewo nti omukyala maama we gwe yalekera omwana we omulabirira olwaleero naye poliisi yamukutte era ku misango gye gimu gino. Era bwe nva wano njagenda kabalagala ate ndabe kiki ate ekikwasa Nazala wa Sipapa. Ebyo naye ensonga tugenda gigoberera. Kaakati bwebuzibu bwe tufunye nti Nazala wa Sipapa gwe balekera omwana omulabirira, omwana omuto w'emyezi 5, n'ate poliisi naye yamukutte. Kati tetumanyi omwana oyo ali luddawa era ali mu mbeera ki. Kyetubadde tusabidde kooti wano nti kooti ekosa obuyinza bwayo omukyala emute asobole okulabira bubula omuntu ne bamuta kyokka nga bagenda omuta amaze emyaka 2 mu nkomyo nga talina musango n'obujulizi tebuliiwo. Naye tulina essuubi nti mu musango gwa Sipapa bajja kukola okunoonyereza mu bwangu ddala kubanga Sipapa talina musango alina defense nungi nnyo kunyina emisango gyonna emijweteke egimusibwako era tuli iga okuleeta obujulizi obwo okulaga nti poliisi ne gavumenti Sipapa bamusibako matugango byonna bamwogerako bamwaliza buwayiriza obujulizi tubulina era tuli lwetegefu okwewuzaako naye tulinza omukisa nti Sipapa lwanaasimbwa mu maaso g'omulamuzi wa High Court okuwulirwa ne kutandikwa okuwulira omusango ne kutandika tuloke tuleeta obujulizi bwaffe buno naye nga wetwogere they have a very young baby of 5 months. So she was recently operated when delivering that child. Now, her scar is still fresh. And the child, the baby whom she left out has no care. So we asked court to, have special consideration, much as does not have the power, but to have special consideration to uphold the rights in the interest of the child and also in the interest and the rights of the woman, to release her on bail temporarily in order to seek appropriate treatment for a scar and also to be able to take care of the child. It also happened that the person in whose custody she left the baby, being her own mother, today as we speak is also in custody. So the question is, where is the child and what has happened to that child? So we made a prayer to court today to grant Sipapa's wife bail in order to have it investigated. But you see the nature of the way our system is this what they do always and it has become a practice? And we are used to it because this is how they do it. They arrest somebody and investigate for the next 1 year. So we're only hoping that for the case of Sipapa, the investigations are going to be as fast as possible so that he can be tried. Because he's innocent. He's innocent. And we have very good defenses to all the charges they brought against him. But when are we going to have the opportunity to give our defense? It can only be in the High Court. So we are praying that investigations can be as fast as possible and then the matter can,
Complaint and witnesses,
Kadel comes. Hola,